So we are going to create new project. So we use this command. We can call the name of the project as counter. Then we can add this to signify that this is a web app. So just hit enter. Make sure you are connected to internet while you are trying to do this. So hit enter. Alright, so the project is created successfully. So the next thing to do is we are going to open it in Visual Studio Code. So all we just need to do now is we are going to run it out to check the output to look at how it really looks like. So you have to open terminal. So when you open the terminal, you type this command, Symfony server start. So this is going to open the project for you. So this is the URL. So you can press Ctrl and click to load this particular project in your default browser. So I have just done that, waiting for it to be loaded in the browser. So the project is loaded successfully. So here we have come to the end of this lecture. See you in the next lecture.